Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to connect Google Calendar to the Claude AI. So guys, if you want to connect your Google Calendar to the Claude AI step by step, so guys, you just follow this video. For this guys, like this is my home screen of my cloud. Okay, now guys, here just left side in the sidebar, here you see the option of customize. So you just click it, and guys, after that you go to the option of connect your app. Okay, so you just click it and connect your app. After that guys, here you see the option of search. Here it show all the application, Entropy and the partners. So here you search your Google Calendar. Now you search the Google, so guys, here you see the Google Calendar is automatically show here. Okay, and it is also is the third most popular application that are connected in cloud. Then guys, just click it. Now it asks you to the permissions, so just go and hit and give the permissions. Google will allow and give all the access, then continue. And guys, before giving the access, please make sure that you are give the right things. Now here you again go and search Google, and guys, here you see, now here you see that it shows this icon, so it's mean that you are connected with successfully. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.